Hello guys. Yes.
Jerry, what the hell are you doing?
It's me again. Yes. I haven't. Do you know why I'm making videos like every single time I end one and it's uploaded? Yeah. Because I haven't done any videos like in a long time because I had my phone taken off me. I'm sorry. I was naughty. Button. Alright, okay guys, let's get started into this game. It's just like a little loading, please.
Right, what?
It's
a tips.
Disgusting.
Tips.
Yes. Making these, I'm making like loads and loads and loads and loads and loads and loads and loads. And videos like the same day because I haven't done loads of videos in a very long time.
He does sometimes.
Alright, so here we go.
Where are all these bunks at? Whee! And
360 no slow.
no,
Snow jump complete. What is this? Can I go backwards, please?
Hey, Cody! Hey, where the heck is this museum? Where's the museum? Museum. Ow.
There is no museum here. You're crazy?
Yeah? No, there are no. There are. I mean, ow. Ow. My boot. Ow.
I can't drive because I'm too lazy. Setting.
Ah. Sorry.
Fix me car, camera.
Oh, damn. Move my head.
Oh, first person's disgusting. Oh, I don't like going to first person. God damn it.
Cody, you might. Cody, you can't see. Yeah. Oh, damn.
It's not letting me go anywhere. Press the buttons, you stupid man.
You're a man, aren't you?
Okay. Ow!
You're a lady, aren't you?
Right, that's too many to that, guys. I haven't done any stuff yet.
I haven't made any videos in my life.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Whee! Oh, damn.
Right, guys. I'm going to move on to the next game. You'll like this. If you don't, you're not good. Here it is. One of my favourite games in 2016, guys.
Those are one of my favourite games. Those are one of my favourite games in my life. I'm not kidding.
Can I go on my new game?
I'm flipping life.
Well, you're not letting me go on anything. Oh. Hello.
Hello, how you doing? Ow.
Right, here we go, guys. See when I'm there. I'm just going to do a little pause. This camera's still not working. Oh.
No.
Arabic or large? Large trial. Large trial.
Large trail.
You can change camera, yes, sorry. I already know that tips.
Load game. Cody, yeah, load game.
I miss. Go away.
I sniffing the
Oh
titch.
God.
I'll sniff in your titch.
You're disgusting, Daniel. Stop being... No. Really do not
Oh,
like
nice
it.
key.
Alright, guys, I'm tilting. This is really hard.
Where's your nose?
Wheelie! Yeah! Come on, can I wheelie? Wheelie?
Wheelie?
Oh, I just did a wheelie!
How do you do one? So me.
I'll try. It's not letting me do a wheelie anymore.
It might.
Glide? Oh, just gliding.
This bike is cool, isn't it? This is a stunt bike, isn't it?
Whoa!
Stunt bike, this is. Isn't it? What? This bike is
You need to glide. Glide!
awesome. Right,
You need to get this.
Awesome.
You need to get this creature.
Awesome. Awesome.
Go for the jump. Oh, God. I just glided.
Whee! Amy bin.
Go, 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 go.
I'm in butt.
Wheelie!
Ow! Oh, that hurt me.
Where am I?
Ow! Nos. Nothing nos.
What's this?
Goss.
It's like a ramp. Whoa, 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 whoa. I've only got like a couple of minutes.
Is that long?
So we'll just like end this video soon. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like in the description below. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next episode. I just wanna... Okay, just let me give like 2 more seconds and I'll just end it.
1, 2.
Ow! I'm stuck.
Couldn't pretend
Okay
it.
guys, as always, I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Couldn't pretend this is